Hi everyone. If you're wondering whether your Samsung Galaxy phone has the latest software, you're in the right place. I'll show you how to check for updates in just a few simple steps. To check for a software update, start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down and tap Software Update. On some older Samsung models, this option may be located under About Phone. Next, tap Download and Install or check for updates. Your phone will contact Samsung servers to see if a newer software version is available. In my case, the device is already running the latest version of Samsung's software. After checking for updates, a message appears confirming that the software is up to date. This means there are currently no new updates available to download or install. Since the phone already has the latest version, there is nothing else I need to do. Having the latest software installed is important because it includes the newest security patches, performance improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility updates. Even if no update is available today, it is recommended to check periodically as Samsung releases updates at different times depending on the device model and region. Overall, checking for software updates is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. If your Samsung Galaxy is already up to date, you can continue using your phone with confidence, knowing it has the latest available features, stability improvements, and security enhancements provided for your device.